For centuries, rivers have played crucial roles in shaping the socio-cultural, political and economic relations between nations. Historically, areas within the Middle Niger, such as Lokoja and Jeba, served as major commercial hubs and cultural crossroads, bringing several countries in West Africa together. Delivering the 13th Distinguished Public Lecture at the Federal University, Lokoja, Dr. Richard Kuba highlighted the region's significance as a historic trade center and cultural melting pot. He noted that the Middle Niger has long attracted diverse ethnic groups and contributed to the growth of many ancient cities.
As far as we know, it has been an important meeting point for different ethnic groups due to its strategic location. It served as trade hub where Hausa, Nupe, Ebira, Yoruba, Igala and other ethnic groups exchange goods.
We have failed to realize the importance of this Lokoja as a strategic point in developing Nigeria. Many things have been neglected. Look at the lecture, listen to the lecture again. The Middle Niger area is a center that I think federal government can do something to develop in order to bring the country together.
So we have been together before the white men came. We learned that. Number two, there was strong economic program going on between the different ethnic groups in this area. And therefore, there is basis for unity and progress among ourselves if we can work together for the betterment of this local area.
Regional organizations like ECOWAS are seen as key to preserving the commercial and cultural ties that have historically united the Middle Niger.
Cooperation is extremely important. In European, we have the European Union. I think it's a good thing. In Africa, you have ECOWAS, you have so many regional cooperation. I think that is a way forward to deepen those kind of cooperations. The River Niger is an axis which can still today be developed more. I think there's possibility of dredging it, putting more communication there. Nigeria is going very far. When I came 35 years ago, there was no train to the north. Now you have train systems, you have developed airports, you have developed road systems. River systems is another area which could be developed, I guess, and the historic example can show us how important that kind of river trade also can be.
I want to particularly mention that your comment on Africa and the picture that you have given is the best that we've ever had. We pray that we'll have the opportunity to have those things to add to our archives.
In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.